Most traders spend years looking for perfect strategy, looking for perfect signal, and this is what actually work. If you cannot spot liquidity, then you will be the liquidity. In this video, we are going to dive into how to spot liquidity, and I'm going to show you on the screen. We are going to be talking about ranging liquidity, ranging structure, like maybe price is consolidating. Yeah, in this video, I'm going to dive into it better so that you can understand. So if this video has helped you, and make sure you just give it a subscribe, and let's dive into the video now. Yeah, on this place now, let us give example. Yes, let me set my camera very well. This is example. Yeah, we have this ranging. This is support and resistance. This is support and resistance. Yes, this is support. Here is support and this is resistance. And if you want to be trading, you know that this is a consolidation. And if you want to understand it, you need to understand. If you want to understand how to trade it, you need to understand your liquidity first. If you don't understand liquidity, that's why most traders, they will just get stopped out. They will place their trade from the support when price just mitigate the support. So understand this. I'm going to dive into it now, and you can see this is your resistance, this is your support here. You can see how price is moving on here, sweeping liquidity from this place, and you see this is the liquidity. You can see this is liquidity. Yeah, this is liquidity. And if you have to place your trade, you will just look for some candlestick confirmation, and you place it from here, and you will target the next resistance from support. And if you are to scalp, you will look for liquidity. When price come into it, liquidity, and you will look for more candlestick confirmation, and you will place your trade. And note, this is when price sweep liquidity, you need to wait for some candlestick confirmation before you place your trade, because sometimes price can just keep going up and just break out the consolidation. You need to be careful. These are the things most traders online will not tell you. You need to be careful. You need to look for, because candlestick tell the story. If you understand candlestick and liquidity and structure, these are the three things that you need in trading. You don't need to be changing your strategy. If you want to learn more about it, just drop a comment and I will teach you, and I will dive into you. It's for free. I'm not selling any course for you guys. It's for free. Let's dive into it better. And you can see this is it. We will target the next support. This is how it works, guys. It really is working. This is how it works. And we have double bottom here. You can see, guys, this is double bottom. This is liquidity. Liquidity is sit down on this place. And if price want to come back to, most trader will place their trade here. They will place their trade here because they see oh, price has, see this, and they just enter from this place, enter from this way, just price to just come back here, and just price to just come back and just hit their stop loss. If you want to know how to trade all this zone, we have double top. This is double top. This is this one here is double bottom. Oh, why is my chart lagging? This one is double bottom here. This one is double bottom. You can see. If you want to trade it, these are liquidity. You wait for the pullback from here. You wait for price to sweep liquidity here before you enter from this place. Before you enter from this place and enter from this place and target this place. This is how to trade it in real time. Let us go to the chart now and let me show you how you can like just trade the ranging when price is in base. That's your consolidation. You can see this on the screen. Let me just remove this. What I explained on that ranging market structure, that's base. In the first place, you identify the zone, like you identify the support, the resistance. This is the resistance, or you identify the resistance, or you can use swing high and swing low. But in this video, I'm not going to be talking about swing high or swing low, but that's this. Let us just use this. You mark all the key zone. This is support, and this is resistance here, and you can see it on the screen right now. And if you are to be trading, like when price come to this zone now, you can see like we have this liquidity sweep here. We have this liquidity sweep here, and sometimes you can just see some candlestick confirmation here. This is 15 minutes time frame GBP JPY candlestick confirmation, and you can like just place your trade from here. You can go to like 5-minute time frame, but we are not using 5-minute time frame here. This is 15-minute liquidity entry. You can see it how it works here. And when price come to this zone again, price come to resistance. These are all liquidity. If you can understand liquidity, you can trade like a pro. Yes, if you understand. And you can see this is 15-minute time frame. What candle did you see here? This is engulfing candlestick. Yeah, this is morning star and engulfing candlestick. This is engulfing candlestick. This black bearish candlestick, and you can just enter from here, place your stop loss above, or you just like do it away here, place it above here, and you target the support. This is 1:2. You can see this is how it works. And when price come here again, this is how you trade it. When price come here, this is it again. You look for liquidity sweep. Always look for liquidity sweep before you enter. And we have this. Can I just enter from this place? Wait, guys. Delete this. Enter from this place. Put your stop loss below here, and you target this thing. You target this, or you target this. This is how to spot liquidity. You can see how price is being manipulating all year, all this place. Most time, guys, always look for what works for you. If these videos have helped you, comment down below and like just give it a subscribe. You are just one trade away. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to like dive into it so that you can understand it more. This is how to trade consolidation. This is ranging market. So most traders online will tell you that, oh, look, just like they will tell you online that, oh, leave, maybe you should stop trading consolidation and this thing. Like, guys, this thing on the screen right now, I know it has helped you, and you should like not avoid it. If you understand liquidity, don't avoid this, and you can like get the movement, the sniper entry. You just wait for liquidity. If this video has helped you, comment down below, subscribe, and you're just one trade away.